In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make changes to a global module in only one template. In Hubspot, global modules are designed to stay consistent across multiple templates. That is helpful when you want a site-wide update, but it can be a problem when you only need a one-off change in a single template. The key is to turn that global module into a local module, but only inside the template you are editing. That way, the rest of your templates remain untouched. Start by going to your Hubspot account and opening the main navigation. Click Content, then go to Files and Templates, and from there open Design Tools. This takes you into the area where you can edit your theme files and templates. Once you are in Design Tools, look to the Finder sidebar on the left. This is where your templates are listed, usually organized by folders. Find the specific template you want to change, and click it to open it in the Layout Editor. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if the template has multiple modules. Now, in the Layout Editor itself, click directly on the global module you want to customize. Make sure you click the module in the main editing area so it becomes the active selection. When it is selected, you will see its options and settings appear in the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. In that Inspector panel, click More, then choose Make Module Local. This is the most important action in the process. Making the module local breaks the connection to the global version, but only for this template. From this point forward, changes you make here will apply only to this template, not to any other page or template that uses the original global module. Next, edit the module settings or content directly in the inspector. Adjust the text, images, styles, or any available settings you need for this template. Take your time and double-check what you changed, since local modules can now differ from the global standard. When you are satisfied, go to the top right and click Publish Changes. This pushes your updates live for the template, so the new local version appears where this template is used. That covers everything you need to know.